Hello, I'm Cyril, and this is my first case tools lab experiment. In this, we have to create a library management system using use case diagram. A use case diagram is used to identify the functionality provided by a system and the association between the user and the functionality, and they are used to analyze the phase of a software development. The basic components of a use case are the actors, the use case, and the association, and then we have the include and exclude. So the actor is someone who uses the system, and in this diagram and in the use case diagram they are depicted by a stick figure, and then we have the use case. So the use case is depicted by a oval shape, and inside we write the functionality provided by a system, and the association shows how the actor is linked to the use case. And then we have include, which shows the direct relation between two use cases, and then the extent, which also shows the direct relation that specifies how and when the behavior defined is usually supplementary. So I'll show this is the library management use case diagram. In this we have two actors. One is the customer or the user, and the other one is the librarian. So here what happens is the user first goes and checks for the availability of a book, and that is linked with the librarian. So he goes to librarian to check for the availability of the books. The next is, if the customer wants to request for a book, he has to log in to his account, and then the login extends password, username, and then forget password, and then the password again extends the reset password. So now, if after taking the book, when the user has to come and return the book, he comes to the librarian. So a return book is connected with the librarian, and then he has to return the book in a specified time. So if the time is extended, then he has to pay. So that's why fine is extended from the return book. And now if our customer wants to have some new books in the library that is not there, so he's going to suggest for purchasing new books to the librarian. So in that way, our this use case is associated with the customer and the librarian. So it's the librarian who buys new books, so he's gonna purchase new books through either cash or any other online payment forms. So this was the library management system. Thank you.